Hey folks, Adam here, and today we're looking at a product that I absolutely love. Now I'm very fortunate to be one of the first testers around, so I can give you a full evaluation before you pick this up on Kickstarter. Now the device is from Jadens, and it is a pint-sized, powerful thermal printer that you're going to love. Now it's able to support multiple document size, give a great picture, print in a matter of seconds. It's able to function completely wirelessly, and yes, it's going to advance the way you print in a manner that you won't believe. I currently have it tied to my smart device right here. I can go into their app and I can print quickly and efficiently, and yes, this is a very cool device. So let's go ahead and check it out. We're gonna kick it off right now. Now, many of our users are already connected and using that Jadens app, and I gotta say I was very happy that this connected in a matter of seconds. No harder than connecting a pair of Bluetooth headphones. It works quick and efficiently. Now, the Jadens app obviously has those cool AI features that you can unlock, track packages, unlock creative assets, and unlimited AI features. Scan and print, quick print, graphics AI, kids fun toolbox, microtext, print from the web, scan images, and a whole lot more. Now, I love the fact that this is just so easy to use. You can use it for things like graphics. You can use it for making coloring books, letterhead, password lists, whatever you may need here, it's got it ready for you. Now, I like using it for all sorts of features, and when I travel, this is great for me. Now, of course, you can have fun with it and print out your graphics. You can print out your pictures, but yes, they've just done a great job here, meaning you're able to print at a push of a button. So for you workers who are on the go, fixed, dynamic, clear, light, medium, and dark, you just press print, and I want to show you in real time just how fast this device is. You can see it is quickly printing our image right here. Of course, this isn't testing the full capabilities here, but I just want you to see how quickly it's able to print. And then next, we're going to tear off our paper easily and efficiently. They've just done a great job here making something that works every single time. Now, when we look at the device itself, the really masterful part is how lightweight this is. Portable and affordable. They've just done a great job here. USB-C charging with powerful batteries, and yes, you're able to recharge it in a matter of minutes using the same USB-C that you're using for your smartphone or other device. So just to show you how lightweight this is, it's a matter of ounces, not pounds. When have you seen a printer weigh less than a pound? This is truly fantastic. I've never seen anything quite like this. This is literally the smallest printer that I've seen on the market. So that's pretty cool. Now for me, one of the big selling points, besides the size, first off, no unnecessary subscriptions to go ahead and keep printing. That's nice. Second, safety and security. Oftentimes when I'm printing documents, it could be my tax documents, it could be my personal files, it could be my journal for all things. It could be work documents that are proprietary to the business. Well, you don't want that going to a cloud and then coming back where somebody else has access to your documents. This keeps them completely private. Social security numbers, credit card numbers, anything in between, you have completely protected because the only connection is from your device straight to the Jadens device. And yes, if you're looking for something that's keeping you safe and secure, Jadens has you covered, whether you're at home or on the go. Speaking of on the go, I want you to imagine, if you will, you're in a busy airport, you're on the go. You have only so many pounds for luggage. Well, this is something that you can throw in your backpack. And that's usually the example I give for a portable electronic device, is throwing it into your backpack or carry-on. But this is literally small enough that I can slide it into my pocket. And rarely do you see something that is that portable. So you've got something that is airline approved. You can take it with you on the plane. You can go ahead, put it in your pocket. You can take it with you just about anywhere, and you have those capabilities to print fast and efficiently on the go, and it literally recharges with that same cable you're probably carrying with you anyway. So This is a huge advantage over bulky printers. This is a huge advantage over most portable printers. And yes, the battery is built to last. They've thought of just about everything here. And before we're on the go, I want you to notice that there's all the information to support this Kickstarter in the link below. Now, think about that for a second, folks. Not all Kickstarters, not all crowdfunding campaigns are created similarly. I can tell you that as somebody who works with Kickstart folks quite a bit, there's a lot of crooks out there. There's a lot of bad Kickstarters out there that never intend to deliver a working model. We've tested the working model. This works. But on top of that, it's Jadens. We've worked with Jadens for years. They have a great online reputation, and they're not ripping you off. They're not just here to throw out a Kickstarter, claim it's going to do something it won't, and then deliver an inferior product for your money. Jadens has a reputation for products that actually work. They deliver on what they promise, and yes, they've just done a great job here with something that is lightweight and portable. So if you're looking for a Kickstarter that you can truly trust, supported by a company that has a great reputation, has practically a zero defect rate, and has delivered every time in the past, well, this is the one that you want to support. So we'll put all of the latest information in the description, and as that updates, go ahead and check the description because we'll update it accordingly. So folks, we also love that this is one of the smallest A4 thermal printers on the market. The fact that you are not replacing expensive ink cartridges is going to save you large amounts of money in the long run. One of the smartest thing I ever did for my eBay business was that I went ahead and I started using thermal paper and thermal printers from Jadens. That meant I no longer had to worry about constantly replacing ink that can get on your fingers. That is extremely expensive and is just a hassle. You're getting thousands and thousands of prints out of these heads. This is easy to set up, and it has a beautiful app that is performance-based. So between the cost saving, the lightweight portability, and the document size that is adjustable, this is a real winner. So folks, regardless of what you're printing, we have a device that's going to make your life really nice. They are stylish and sophisticated. This runs ultra quiet as well. It is easily portable, and right now it's affordable. So we're gonna go ahead and put all of the information in the description below. It's time to pick yours up, whether you're printing out a music sheet like we are now, whether you're printing out your tax information, a spreadsheet, or a nice high quality graphic. These guys have you covered. It's time to go pick one up. Folks, you know I love and appreciate you, but it's time to get to shopping. Thanks for watching. Go get one, and adios amigos. Let's go print some more. Oh yeah.